The civil authorities have issued a blue alert for Kaufman TX, Navarro TX, Limestone TX, Freestone TX, Lum TX, Madison TX, Robertson TX, Houston TX, Walker TX, San Jacinto TX, Hope TX, Trinity TX, Andromeda TX, Tyler TX, Jasper TX, Salim TX, San Augustine TX, Lecompton TX, Shelby TX, Cherokee TX, Anderson TX, Henderson TX, Smith TX, Greg TX, Rusk TX, Canolo TX, Harrison TX, Upshur TX, Wood TX, and San Juan TX, beginning at 9:07 p.m. Sunday, November 2nd and ending at 9:07 p.m. Monday, November 3rd. Blue alert. Jacksonville, Texas suspect is Bobby Dennis wanted for involvement in a serious injury of a law enforcement officer. Dennis is a 64-year-old black male, last seen wearing a black jacket, and all-black clothing, may be driving a Golf 2012 GMC Sierra with Texas license plate TRW 2919. Call Jacksonville PD with information. 15 call 911.